I think you wouldn't build an airplane for 5 years, put a human being inside the airplane and run it from the hill to see if it stands all those physical forces when it's made from wood and paper, right? You would probably do some experiments. So you take every assumption and you make an experiment. So you would try to bend the materials in some machines, maybe with forces that are similar to the flight, or you would try to source some suppliers for the materials in some viable time frame, let's say. So it is feasible to do it. And to test it, I think you wouldn't build an airplane for 5 years, put a human being inside the airplane and run it from the hill to see if it stands all those physical forces when it's made from wood and paper, right? You can maybe also build a small model and run it from the hill and see how it goes. So you would do the experiments that will be fast and cheap. And I think that the same advice goes for product development in terms of startups, in terms of digital products and software. You first need to define your problem hypothesis, which is who wants to achieve what outcome, let's say, what are their motivations to achieve it, when the urge to solve a problem or this outcome comes in, how severe it is, how frequent it is, and what are all the motivations behind it. So you define your hypothesis and then you map out the assumptions. So you map out all the assumptions and you took those that are most critical and most unknown. So you have the least evidence about them that they are true. Let's think about assumption as some statement that something needs to be true for your idea to work.
Yeah.
So I think this is actually the approach, that you take nothing as a true before you actually test it.